Welcome to Ride Like a Star. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Ferrari California T before your Hollywood driving experience. Don't worry, during your ride, one of our professional co-pilots will guide you step by step. During your experience, always follow your guide's instructions and never operate any features unless your guide confirms it's safe. Here's how to open and enter the Ferrari California T. Unlock the car with the key, then gently pull the door handle and open the door carefully. Remember, this is a low sports car, so don't rush. The easiest way to get in is to sit first, then bring your legs inside. This Ferrari uses a real key. First, insert the key into the ignition slot, then turn the key to wake up the car. You'll see the dashboard lights appear. Wait for the engine light sequence to turn off. Once the car is ready, keep your foot firmly on the brake. Then press the engine start button on the steering wheel. And that's it, the Ferrari comes to life. Important, do not press the accelerator while starting the car. Just keep your foot on the brake. Before selecting any gear, your foot must be firmly on the brake. To go forward, pull the right side paddle shifter behind the steering wheel once. This will engage first gear. Always check the dashboard to make sure the car is in the correct gear before moving. To reverse, keep your foot on the brake and press the reverse button located in the middle console. Once reverse is selected, move very slowly. Check your mirrors, check your surroundings, and always listen to your co-pilot. The Ferrari is powerful, so every movement should be smooth and controlled. It's a luxury driving experience through Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and Los Angeles. The goal is to enjoy the car, enjoy the sound, and create an unforgettable memory safely. First, the car must be stopped in a safe location. Make sure there is enough space above the car and behind the car. Do not place bags, jackets, phones, or anything else in the roof compartment. Once everything is clear, hold the roof switch and keep holding it until the full cycle is complete. Do not stop halfway. Do not reverse the movement during the cycle. Before driving the Ferrari, take a moment to get comfortable. First, adjust your seat so you can easily reach the pedals while keeping your back supported. You should be able to press the brake fully without stretching your leg. Next, adjust the steering wheel so your hands feel natural and relaxed. Then adjust your side mirrors and rear view mirror. You should be able to clearly see the road behind you and both sides of the car. This step is very important. A good driving position helps you feel more confident, more relaxed, and more in control. Your co-pilot will help you adjust everything before the experience begins. Ride like a star, exotic car experiences in Hollywood, Los Angeles.